Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'll teach you guys one of my favorite and one of my sickest baby fish transitions that I love to do, love to use. I didn't plan to teach you guys this, but a lot of you guys want to learn, so now here we go. Okay, now without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, so to start this move, I need to let you guys know that you need to have some sort of flexibility. But don't worry, it's not like the super flexible that I'm talking about here. It's just like, you know, at least you can do some, you know, half spider freeze, do some spider freeze. That is good enough. Okay, so don't worry, don't get discouraged that I mean you need to be able to do flexible stuff like throw your leg to your head. It's not all of that. Okay, just a simple flexible will really help you along this tutorial. Okay, we're gonna start from baby freeze. Alright. Okay, so baby freeze here, I'm using my right hand. So I want to switch my leg, and you can see that my left leg is touching my left elbow. Okay, this is where we're gonna start the whole transition things. So again, baby freeze, and make sure that if you're right-handed like me, your left leg is touching your left elbow. Very crucial, very important, remember that. Alright, from here, this is the part where we're gonna swing my right leg, you can see up here, across. So I want to, you can say like we're gonna go from that transition onto the half spider freeze. So I'm gonna swing my right leg, sorry, across. Try to keep it straight so it looks better. So we about touch my or hit my left hand. I'm gonna bring my left hand up, and then this right leg is gonna continue to swing, and from there I'm gonna do a half spider freeze. All right, so let's try one more time. So my advice for you here is try not to do this too fast or too slow. Just keep your time, get a great timing of the swing and when you're gonna go to the half spider freeze. Alright, if you do it too fast or too slow, sometimes it just ruins everything. So take your time, okay? So after the half spider freeze, what I love to do here is I'm gonna swing my right leg back again to my baby freeze. Right, for this part it's up to you, it's preference, or you want to continue to other move, it's fine. So now let's try combine all of this move and let's see how the last result looks. That's it for my sickest and my new favorite baby fish transitions. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. That's about it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.